So if we are looking at respiratory issues, it could be an acute symptom, something that has just flared a symptom, made a symptom happen. That could be an allergy. Perhaps you go out into an environment and something happens. Respiratory also could be that your dog goes into a cornfield and has trouble breathing. It could be that your dog goes into a kennel for a week while you're away and comes back with kennel cough. So acute symptom is something that happens suddenly and lasts for 2 or 3 weeks, or maximum of 2 or 3 weeks. If it is longer than that, if this is something that reoccurs regularly or has been going on for a number of years, it is a chronic issue. And from that chronic issue, you can have acute flares. So he can have a respiratory disease, he can have a weakness, that when something happens, he gets stressed or affected, then a flare occurs.